Hi guys, and welcome to today's unboxing, which is of the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the remote control. So I had a couple of weddings that I was going to film, but the clients wanted drone footage. So I said, okay, I don't have a drone of my own, but I can get somebody to film that part of the wedding. And they were like, oh, okay. But then I told them what the price would be, and that's a set price because you have a drone and a drone operator, and obviously that costs money. But a lot of weddings are actually, or wedding customers are actually asking for this particular service, and I've been putting it off for a long time. I'll hire somebody to do that portion of the video for me, or somebody else would do it. But yeah, I thought to myself, the events industry is also asking for drone footage now. I've done like 3 outdoor shows which could have completely benefited from drone footage. But anyway, let's see what you have. So this is a foldable and light drone which has 4K HDR video, 48 megapixel photo, vertical shooting, which is a bit of a gimmick I think, but TikTok generation, yay. Flagship 12-kilometer video transmission. Right, okay, so this is going to be interesting, but I'm not going to use it for that at that distance, not really. 3-direction active obstacle sensor, or sensoring. Okay, that's good, but I'll explain what that is. And then intelligent features, active track, brilliant. Master shots, don't know what that is. Hyperlapse, awesome. And then it just says the same thing there. Now I'm trying to be conscious of not showing you my serial number and what have you, but what I will show you is what you get. You get a drone. You can hardly see this properly. You get a battery, you get the remote control, you get a USB cable. What's that? Spare propellers, even repellers, a screwdriver, and manuals. Yay! Yeah, and then what's on the other side? Just the DJI branding. So I'm gonna open this up now. So you get a QR code there to download the Fly app, look at video tutorials, I guess, and the user manual. So essentially all you're getting is the drone. Oh my god, that looks so tiny. Just gonna pop that there for a second. I hope everything is in shot here because I'm using the GoPro to actually film this. I couldn't be bothered to reset up everything. Okay, so here is the drone. So you put your SD card in there, and then you also you can charge it from there and use that as a download facility as well, I guess. There's the other side. There's the underside again. So these are the sensors you've got. Just take this off. That's the main gimbal, and it's a f1.7. Interesting. And then there's the other 2 sensors there. If I pop that back on for now. Oh no. Is that in properly? Yes it is. Just about. Okay. So there's 2 sensors there, 2 sensors there, and then 2 sensors here. But there's nothing at the back. Sorry, no. There's nothing at the sides, so that way you can't actually fly sideways, or you can, but what you have to do is be very careful because there's no collision detection. This is what these do. So the first thing I can notice is that it's very plasticky. So yeah, interesting. So it looks like the battery's already installed. So what I'll do, I'll look for the USB cable and plug it in somewhere. Okay, so the next thing is the controller. Oops. And then you get a box with, I guess, all the other bits and pieces. Okay, so let's take the controller out. Now I need to get a screen protector for this. So this I think has an internal battery. I'm not too sure how it works, but yeah, there's a charging port there, USB-C, micro SD card slot, so you can record, I guess, from the drone, also from the controller. Now that could be a really good thing, because if you needed an extra SD card, you could quickly put one in, transfer everything over, and then leave that blank again. I don't know, we'll see what the workflow is like, but yeah, this is actually quite nice. It's like a games controller. Oops. Okay, so you've got the little ow, can't even get them out. Okay, we'll do that once we've charged it. So we're going to charge everything first, and then we can play around with it. So it's this quick start guide, old guide, loads of other bumps. We'll just leave them to the side, and then we get the extra propellers, and we get a little screwdriver to put the propellers on. But the good thing is these ones are already on, so what I'm going to do is just make sure that they're tight. Okay, and then you only get one USB to USB-C charge cable, so that's interesting. Right, so what I'm going to do now is charge these guys up, and the next time you'll see me is going to be when I'm in an open space. Okay guys, so I'm in the park and I'm gonna use this drone. So it's just loading. See how it goes. Really bumpy there. Says unable to take off.
Take off.
There it is, it's in flight. Ooh. That's pretty slick. Right, let's try some moves now. And there you go. That's not bad, is it? Good first flight.